Did you know that a black bear's diet is 90% veggies? Yes, they prefer a vegetarian diet. Hello, guys, and welcome to another Animal Facts. Black bears are found from northern Canada throughout western and parts of eastern USA, and also down into northern Mexico. The black bear is a largely solitary and nocturnal hunter. They spend the majority of their life searching for food in the surrounding forest and must eat vast quantities of plant matter so they can ensure that they build up a decent fat reserve for the coming winter. When the hostile winter condition sets in, black bears retreat into a den under a hollow tree or in a burrow where they semi hibernate. Now, also, although this is not a true hibernation and their body temperature only drops minimally, it means that they are able to wake up and venture out in search of light snack to break up their long slumber. In a hotter region in the south, black bears may not bother denning over the winter at all, with the exception of pregnant females. But in the most northerly parts of the range, they may not emerge until 8 months later. Now, like many other bears, black bears use their strong sense of smell to find food that is appealing to them. In fact, their willingness to follow their nose is what often leads them in contact with humans. They smell humans' food stores or cooking in the open and pursue the potential meal. Black bears are very good at finding plants that are suitable for their dietary needs, mostly by using their keen noses. Also, bears have a great vision too. They can see well at night and can track movement with ease. And like I said, bears are good at finding their food, but they're even better at getting it. They can use their claws to help dig into small spaces to get food, such as when they detect honey and want to grab the honeycomb. Now, let's talk in details about their diet. Black bears eat grasses, berries, and other fruit. They also eat insects and would like the occasional fish. They are omnivores and consume a variety of foods when they live in the wild. Although bears are often thought of as massive predators, the majority of their diet is plant based. At least 75% of their diet comes from eating various plants, and they fill in the rest of their diet with an array of different foods. Among the black bear's favorite foods are strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, dogwoods, choke cherries, wild sarsaparilla. They will also feed on clovers, dandelion, catkins, and grasses, and occasionally consume fish, honeycomb, and they also love human homemade foods. A very interesting fact that only around 5% of their diet is meat, and around 15% of it will be insects, and everything else is just plants. Their diet is very interesting considering that the black bear is an apex predator. These mammals are at the top of the food chain in most places due to their large size, powerful bite, and incredible speed. Yet, they do not indiscriminately kill and eat like lions and other predators do, even though they have significant hunting prowess, they are far more likely to forage than kill. Gorilla. Gorillas, the largest living primates. They make their homes in Central and East Africa. They function in a well-developed social structure and often exhibit behaviors and emotions similar to the human experience, including laughter and sadness. This magnificent creature is mainly vegan, except for some insect they eat that makes around as little as 3% of their diet, and the whole other 97% will be plants. Another very interesting fact is they eat on average around 18 kilograms of plant in a day. Now, because they have this large body and their diet is mainly plants, they need a lot of it. They feed mainly on stems, bamboo shoots, and fruits, and western lowland gorillas have an appetite for termites and ants, and they will break open termite nests to eat the larvae. Gorillas can use their incredible strength to break apart vegetation. An adult male, for example, can shred apart a whole banana tree to get to the interior tender pith. Gorillas are very selective foragers. They usually only eat parts of vegetation. For example, they may eat only the leaves, pith, stalk, or roots of particular plant. They use their agile lips and hand dexterity to manipulate the vegetation for the particular portion they want to consume. Gorillas do not overexploit any area for food. They crop the vegetation in a manner that allows for a quick replenishment to occur. Gorillas have been documented using their hair on the back of their hands to absorb water and then sucking it. And one less interesting fact that I would love to mention is that in general, females give birth to one baby every 4 to 6 years. And this very slow population growth makes it harder for gorillas to recover from any population decline. And sadly, gorillas are critically endangered. The biggest threat they face is habitat destruction, which leaves gorillas with fewer safe spaces to live. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, be sure to press the like button and subscribe, as this will encourage me to make more videos like that. Pandas. Now, there's actually two kinds of pandas. The giant panda, which we all know, and there's also the red panda. These animals are only distantly related and demonstrate dramatic differences in everything from physiology to habitat to behaviors. Now, it's worthy to mention that the name panda is derived from the Nepali word bamboo eater, and that's why those two animals got that name. So, both of these animals have a rich diet of bamboo. In fact, 99% of the giant panda's diet is bamboo shoots, leaves, and culm. They will also eat a small amount of insects and rodents. Additionally to bamboo and the occasional protein, pandas also love fruit. They especially love apples. And pandas have also been known to like something known as panda cake, which is basically just steamed corn bread. In the summer, pandas enjoy frozen ice with bits of apple inside of them to cool them down. Furthermore, pandas enjoy veggies like carrots and even some funguses. Now, like gorillas, and because their diet consists mainly of vegetation, they will need anywhere from 10 to 40 kilograms a day. Now, especially because their body will only digest 70% of the bamboo they eat. And the reason for their inefficiency at digesting bamboo is the result of the fact that they have the digestive system of a carnivore. And there is a study that indicates that panda developed their vegetarian diets after a mutation that caused them to lose the ability to taste umami flavors, thus making meat an unappealing nutritional source. And because we are in the winter season, be sure to check these very comfortable panda hoodies. They will keep you warm. Oh, and one last thing, be sure to check this video here to know about the strongest animals in the world. Thank you for watching and have a great day.